Welcome to HCM. Hello guys, are you troubled by 6 pound and length problems? Algae blooming, fish kill, mark accumulation, turbid water body, foul odor, swarming pests, and so on. How to fix the problem above? Let our HC750X with CAB pound and length aeration compressor to help with you. This is our upgraded design pound and length aerator compressor. This is a non-stick memory diffuser. You can see our machine with the box so that you can use it when it's raining. The both sides of the compressor are open, so the heat dissipation is very good. High efficiency, continuous duty, and a reliable compressor is the main unit of the system. Rubber feet reduce noise and vibration for silent operation. This model capacity is 190 liters per minute, 6.7 CFM, but the power is only 540 watts, so it can reduce more power consumption. The temperature rise is also more rare than other same capacity compressor in the market, and this model is very quiet. The noise is about 55 dB. 110 voltage and 220 voltage all can be customized. The system is easy to install. When you use the machine, just connect with the aeration disc will be okay. Don't need to connect with other parts. And you also can check the aeration disc pressure through the compressor pressure gauge. Airflow valve manifold simplifies airflow management to individual diffusers. You could adjust the aeration depending on the structure of your pound or length. Air filter maximizes the life of the compressor. Pressure relief valve safeguards from back pressure. We are manufacturer. If you need more product information, please contact with us freely, and we are waiting for you.